Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find wallpapers and style. Then let's tap on this wallpapers section. And as you can see here, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Of course, we can tap on more wallpapers and will be transferred to the theme store. And of course, you will be able to choose something from the online wallpapers. Here we've got pre-installed ones. And to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. As you can see, it will appear on the full screen. So here you can also change the option without the need to get back to the previous page, and all you have to do is to tap on apply to if you're ready. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.